Strategic Insight Unveiled: Navigating Success with a Comprehensive SWOT Analysis. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used by organizations to identify and assess internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. The acronym SWOT stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. This analysis helps organizations understand their current position and make informed decisions about future strategies. Here's an overview of each component. 1. Strengths, internal. Internal factors that give an organization a competitive advantage or contribute to its success. Examples: strong brand reputation, skilled workforce, innovative products or services, efficient processes, financial stability. 2. Weaknesses, internal. Internal factors that put the organization at a disadvantage or hinder its success. Examples: limited resources, outdated technology, weak management, poor employee morale, inefficient processes. 3. Opportunities, external. External factors in the environment that can be leveraged to the organization's advantage. Examples: emerging market trends, technological advancements, changes in consumer behavior, new partnerships or collaborations, regulatory changes. 4. Threats, external. External factors that could pose challenges or risks to the organization. Examples: intense competition, economic downturns, changes in regulations, technological disruptions, geopolitical uncertainties. Steps to conduct a SWOT analysis. 1. Identify internal factors. Gather information about the organization's strengths and weaknesses through internal assessments, employee feedback, and performance evaluations. 2. Identify external factors. Analyze the external environment to identify potential opportunities and threats. This involves examining market trends, industry dynamics, and the competitive landscape. 3. SWOT matrix. Create a SWOT matrix to organize and visualize the identified strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. 4. SWOT analysis discussions. Facilitate discussions or workshops with key stakeholders to analyze and discuss each element in detail. Explore the relationships between internal and external factors. 5. Prioritize and summarize. Prioritize the most critical factors and summarize key insights. Focus on those elements that have the greatest impact on the organization's strategic decisions. 6. Develop strategies. Use the SWOT analysis to inform the development of strategies. Capitalize on strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats. 7. Regular review and update. Periodically review and update the SWOT analysis, considering changes in the internal and external environment. This ensures that the organization remains agile and responsive to evolving conditions. Summary: SWOT analysis is a versatile tool applicable to various levels of decision-making, from individual projects to overall strategic planning for an organization. It provides a comprehensive view of the internal and external factors that influence success and helps organizations align their strategies with their unique circumstances.